Hey guys, what's going on? So check out what I just designed. This right here is an origami geometric blow spinner, and here's how it works. So you just hold it like this, and you blow on the side. See? And it spins just like that. Oop. See? Just like that. Alright, wanna learn how to fold it? Ready, set, here goes. Alright, so for this model, I recommend using 7-inch foil. So, you could fold it from regular origami paper, but I recommend using foil because I think it works better. So, let's begin right side up and let's fold in half. Try to make very precise folds and creep sharply. Alright, unfold and fold in half this way. Alright, unfold, and now fold the two sides to the crease. We're making a 4x4 grid. So we're going to fold the other sides to the crease also. Alright, unfold, and repeat in this direction. Alright, unfold, and turn over, and let's blend. So fold the four corners to the middle. Alright, unfold. And turn back over. And now poke these little points in like this. And we're gonna collapse. So we're gonna take these two sides and we're gonna fold them in like this. Make sure there's no glitches. So fold them in like this, and we're folding on these diagonals also. So like this, and then like this, and at this point just push everything together like this. So that was kind of a tricky move, so I hope you can do that. Okay. And just kind of adjust everything, flatten everything down. Okay. And now what we're going to do is we're going to take this point and we're going to fold it to here. Crease sharply, and do that 3 more times. Okay, like that. Now turn over, and now we're going to blend on this side. So we're going to fold these 4 corners to the middle. Just fold this point, don't fold this. Just leave this raw point behind, like that. So just keep it down. So. Alright, and now we're going to get rid of these 4 raw points. And how we're going to do that? Well, turn back over and let's fold them to the middle. So we're just going to fold them so it makes it easier. So like this. So we're just reinforcing those creases. Okay, unfold. And now pick a point and open up this pocket right here, and we're gonna curl this point inside. So just curl it in. Okay, just like that. And flatten it. And do that 3 more times. So here we have a gold and white square. And now what we're gonna do is we're gonna kind of open here, and we're gonna make this line, we're gonna pinch it like that. And do that with the other 3. So open it and just pinch it like this. Like that. And now, so once you got it like this, make sure it's kind of open a little bit. And now we're gonna take 2 points, just pick 2 of them, and we're just gonna kind of push them in like this. And as we're doing it, we're gonna kind of take our fingers and kind of pinch like this. So pinch and push at the same time, like this. And yeah, you gotta make sure that they're open like this. See? And it doesn't matter which one's on top. So just push like this until you get something like that. All right. And then now just squeeze here in here. So here we have the model taking shape. And now fold this flap over like this so it touches the side with a single folded edge right there. Like this. And make sure the open side is on the bottom. Alright? And then pinch that like this. Alright? And same on this side. So fold it up like this, make sure the open side right here is facing down. And pinch it like this. Alright? And now we're going to get rid of these 2 flaps, and to do that, we're going to take this point and fold it to here. Like this. Crease that sharp. And we can do this side after we do this side. And now try and open up that pocket nice and well, like this. And we're gonna tuck this point inside. So we first need to kind of curl it like this. And yeah, and I'm gonna say this is probably the hardest part of the model. All right, and now just curl it in there like this. And it's kind of challenging to do, but just do your best. I recommend putting a pointer or something, just kind of shove it down in there, kind of open up that pocket really good, really good. Okay, that's about as best as I can do there. And now repeat on this side. So fold this point to here. Yeah, this is not an easy model. And open the pocket like this and curl the flap. Actually, if you wanted to make it easier, let's try it this way. Fold this down like this, and this should be easier to tuck in. Oh yeah, that's way better. Like that. I'm gonna go ahead and do it with this one I did. Okay, that's about as best as I can do there. And I'm gonna try and fix the model up here. I kinda destroyed it. There we go. And once you did that, here is our geometric blow spinner. So you just hold it like this, and then you blow right here. Oh, hold on. You can just blow on either one of these sides. Yep, and it spins just like that. Alright, so there you have it. Alright, hope you guys enjoyed folding this, and hope you enjoy spinning it. Make sure you subscribe, and let me know what you think. Alright, bye-bye.